how to check bad capacitor. Okay, this is new capacitor. See, okay, this is new capacitor. This is capacitor. Okay, bad capacitor. How to find? This is bad capacitor. You will see this top is gone, blast. Okay, this top is gone. This is bad capacitor. Okay, you see, this is this capacitor. Okay, you see, this capacitor gone. You will find any circuit, this capacitor is voltage fluctuations coming, this top is blast, this top is blast, totally capacitor shortage, voltage fluctuation. Okay, you this capacitor remove, put new capacitor any circuit, you will see first problem is find voltage fluctuation. Okay.